What of the following country has become the first country to do face scan? Answer C. Singapore. Police Commemoration Day is celebrated on which of the following days? Answer B. 21st October. What has the Gujarat government recently announced to change the name of dragon fruit? Answer C. Kamalam fruit. National Youth Day celebrated every year. Answer B. 12 January. Dogri language is spoken in which territory of India? Answer B. Jammu and Kashmir province. Official language are maintained in Indian Constitution in which schedule? Answer D. Schedule 8. Raj Kiran Rai has been appointed as the president of which organization recently? Answer D. Indian Banks Association. From which date the new foreign trade policy will come into force? Answer A. 1st April. Recently, Apple has been fined for patent infringement with which company? Answer C. Small Flash LLC. When was the National Vayashri Yojana launched? Answer D. 1st April 2017. Vermicomposting is done by? Answer C. WAM. Who was the original name of Swami Vivekananda? Answer A. Narendranath Dutt. Which one of the following language is not mentioned in English schedule of the Indian Constitution? Answer B. English. Who is the main regional language in Arunachal Pradesh? Answer D. English. Bharat Biotech has tied up with which country's company for the supply of Covaxin? Answer A. Brazil. Who among the following will become the first female fighter to fly a fighter plane in a Republic Day parade? Answer D. Bhavna Kent. Goods and Service Tax (GST) was implemented in India. Answer B. 1st July 2017. Which of the following pass is not located in the Western Ghats range? Answer B. Pipli Ghat. The constitutional amendment under which GST was passed? Answer B. 122nd. The Guru of Kabir was? Answer A. Ramanand. World Iodine Deficiency Day is celebrated on which of the following day? Answer B. 21st October. Haldi Ghati Award is related to which field? Answer C. Journalism. International Day for the Eradication of Poverty is celebrated on which of the following dates? Answer D. 17 October. What of the following country has got the 4th place in the Global Firepower Index 2021? Answer D. India.